Good morning children, welcome to Sri Sharda Mata Computers. In today's class let us learn about pivot table. So what is pivot table? It is called as a pivot table actually. What is pivot table? Pivot table is MS Excel's powerful feature. What it does, it allows us to extract the particular or a summarized data from the large detailed data set. Okay, what it does, it allows us to extract the particular summarized data from the large detailed data set. So now here let me show you how to apply the pivot table to this detailed data set. This is very large data set. Okay, so now let us see how to apply the pivot table to this table, this data. Let me write the heading first. Let me select these cells. Okay, after selecting, go to the merge and center option. Okay, see, now here you can write the heading, that is pivot table and chart. Pivot table and chart. Okay, after that color it. Okay, now for this table let me make it bold. Okay, and I will apply border. Go to this border option and apply all borders. Click over it. See, you got border to your table. Now I want to apply pivot table to this data set. Okay, what does this pivot table do? As I have said, it will allow us to extract the particular information from the large data. Okay, now in order to apply the pivot table, select the data first. Okay, here no row should be empty and no column should be empty. In order to apply the pivot table, the rules to be followed is no row should be empty and no column should be empty. Okay, after selecting the data set, go to the insert option. Here you will get the pivot table. Click on it. Okay, you will get this dialog box. Okay, the table range, it is already been selected. Okay, and where you want your pivot table to be, the pivot table report should be in the existing sheet. Okay, let me choose this existing worksheet and give the location. I want it here in this cell. Okay, now click on OK. See, you got the pivot table here. See, here you get this pane, pivot table field list pane. Here you have the heading of the columns. You have employee number, names, their department and their salaries. These are all in this field. So how you want, whether you want the department to be in the row labels or in the column labels, like this you have to just click over it, drag it to the row or a column or a value set. So the department should be in the row label. I will drag it to the rows. See, as soon as I drag it, see, I got under the row label heading, I got all the departments here. Okay, department names here. Similarly, this salary, it is in the numbers, right? It will come under the values. Okay, so drag it down to the value section. See, I got departments and their salaries. Okay, and below that I got the grand total. Now I also want the names section under the row labels. So I will drag it down here. See, I got the names under the department. See, under biology department we have these 3 teachers and their salary is this, and the particular salary given by the biology department to these 3 teachers, his total salary is this. This is the way pivot table shows us the data, summarized data from the large data set. Okay, you got this. How to apply this is very easy, you have to learn. Now if I want this employee number, if I put this employee number, let me drag it down to the report filter. What happens is, see, I got this employee number under this section. So what it does is, if I want whose salary is the highest, that is Punar's salary, that is his roll numbers, this teacher's roll number is 7. Okay, let me select on it and click OK. See, he is working, this Punar is working under a chemistry department and his salary is 40,000. Okay, like this pivot table works. And now in order to apply the data, and that means in order to apply the pivot chart to this, okay, select on this table and go to the charts, whichever chart you want, go to the column chart. Okay, let me select this one. See, I got a pivot chart. Okay, see the pivot chart here. Let me drag it here. See, under biology department I have 3 teachers and their salary is like this, up to 25, that is up to that is Anand's salary is 24,000, Sunita's salary is around 16,000 and Tara's salary is around 32,000. Like this it is showing. And under chemistry I have Piyush and Punar. Okay, like this, and their particular salaries. Like this it will show the chart. Okay, this is the way you can apply a pivot table and pivot chart to the data, given data. Okay, you understand? Okay, thank you.